Please set volume on the device to 100. As there is no speech labels, select language. First letter should be capital. Language set to English.
Hello, my name is Arjun. What's yours? Oh, hello. Coder, you might be wondering why am I in this odd planet. It is my home. Let's go to my house and see my bedroom. Let's see Earth through my telescope. We press the button next to the mirror. It is the one that is spinning. I will tell you about a kidney monster by looking through the telescope. That's Earth. I will tell you about it. It all started when I was walking through town. Suddenly I heard shouts. Everyone was running. Help, 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 help. Then I saw a huge monster. It was a kidney monster. I was scared. People followed some precautions to escape from the kidney monster. Now I will tell these precautions to you. Press on one of the buttons to learn facts about how to keep your kidneys healthy. Look, the kidney monster is happy.